Good morning, CMS, and welcome to Mongoose Monday. That's right, it is my time to shine. Today is Monday, October 26th, Mongoose Monday. We are going to be standing for the pledge. Do you like my background? I know I do. And here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today's menu, that is right, Mongoose Monday's menu. We have choice A, hot ham and cheese on a bun with baked chips, baked beans, fresh vegetables, mixed fruit cup, and fresh fruit. Choice B, cheesy bread with marinara. Tuesday's menu, chicken and waffles. What a combination, chicken and waffles. Popcorn chicken with waffles, another good combination. We also have syrup with those waffles and chicken. We also have potato coins, not potato chips, but potato coins, and carrot sticks, peaches, and fresh fruit. We then move on to choice B, cheese pizza. Breakfast, butterscotch bar with cheese stick, orange slices, and milk. Now, we move on to the announcements. Tri-C Distributors is having a fundraiser. They're teaming up with the PTO. We're going to be fundraising for next year. The sale begins October 22nd, 2020, and it goes to November 11th. That's right. Get some of your holiday shopping done in one spot with this fundraiser. For more information, you should be checking Mr. Madigan's blog or the website link to the announcements. Now, we move on to the Colt Pride winners. Cherry Ann N on the White Tigers, Peyton S on the Green Arrows, Zoe T on the Green Arrows team, Marin C on the hashtag Clover Squad, and Lillian L on Team Fiesta. Now let's move on to Halloween. That is right, Halloween is coming up this Friday, October 30th. You can wear costumes, but it must fit in the criteria of a literary/movie character or a historical figure. Please note, no Halloween masks, nor gore. No clowns are permitted. Costumes must be school appropriate. Moving on. We now go to Red Ribbon Week. We start that up next week. And specifically with Red Ribbon Week, we have October 28th. We are going to be wearing all red because it's a spirit day. Ah, yes, we are moving now on to Kwa, Kwa, Kwa. It's time for Kwa. Kwa, Kwa. Are you ready for Kwa? That's right, Kwa. I know you are ready for Kwa. I'm ready for Kwa. Are you? Kwa. Kwa. Ah, Kwa. Good old Q&A. Let's look at some of the questions for the Mongoose. Ask Mr. Mongoose Monday question number 1. How long did it take you to grow your spectacular mustache? Well, that is a good question. I love questions about the Mongoose. Specifically, the mustache took 3 centuries to grow, this stash. It is very nice. I don't even need to groom it. I wake up and it looks this good. That is right. The Mongoose, when he wakes up, he looks this good. And he looks even better in person, which is, I know, hard to believe. Now, we move on to the next question. Ask Mr. Mongoose Monday. This is question number 2. How important do you think the election is? That is a wonderful question for the Mongoose. I think the election is always very important. Of course, most of you are not old enough to vote. But when you do turn 18, I suggest you go out and vote. That is very important. All right, we move now on to the next question. Ask Mr. Mongoose Monday, question number 3. I would love to ask you about what actually going to school is like this year. I am doing online, and I was just curious. I hope you're all doing well, though, and thanks. That is a wonderful question. First off, I think it's going very well over here in the middle school. We are having a good time. We are making do with what we have due to the COVID virus. And we are having fun, and we are learning too, which is very important combination. That is a wonderful question. And thank you for reaching out to the Mongoose. It was very fun. Now we move on to the bulletin board. As you can see, October 26th and 30th is Red Ribbon Week. We also have Wear Red Spirit Day on the 18th, the 28th. Celebrate Halloween, October 30th. November 6th, end of the first quarter. Then we start the second quarter, November 9th. November 11th, Picture Retake Day. That is right, we are having retakes on Picture Day. We also have November 25th to the 27th, Thanksgiving break. The quote of the day: kindness is a gift everyone can afford to give. Students, remember your Colt pride. Be responsible, be respectful, and be safe. All right, with that being said, I hope you have a beautiful Monday morning and you have a wonderful weekend. It is great to celebrate Mongoose Monday with you. Stay good, my friends, and be blessed.